Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. This is the view from our portico that we sit. See the lovely view. I'm trying to give you a overview of the room. There's a nice place to sit here. The name of our room is Mohini Mahal. The cottages here are all named after the Jadhav family's relatives, they're all named after them. 3 people can stay in this room. It's a huge, there are 2 rooms joined actually. It's very beautiful. This property is at Bagh, and now it is taken over by Nimrana. They are looking after it. Nimrana is known for their heritage properties. This is a 17th century property. See, they make you feel the air. How beautiful it is. Of course, the beds are very high, so they give you a step to climb up. The beds are so beautiful, In my maternal grandparents' house, we have beds like this, The Zamindar era time used to have all this. In Bengali, it's known as palonko. View a close-up of the bed. There's a little window there. Those are lovely paintings. There's a wardrobe here to keep all your things. And what I don't want you to miss is their little tea area. It's done up so well. Can you see? I'll just remove the cover. These are the cups. See how well they have done it up. I'll remove the cover of this. And there's a fridge here underneath. This is the tea box. They have everything here. This area is your dressing room. You can keep some luggage here. You have a nice old era mirror here. Just getting into the bathroom. There's a bathtub. There's the towel rack. These are the olden era towel racks. It makes me very nostalgic. Takes me to my childhood era. We have all this in my grandparents' house, They still exist. There's a big window here. You can open it up. Maintaining such property is difficult. but they are maintaining it very well. They've done a very good job keeping everything intact. They are giving the latest facilities to you. AC and everything is there. Your breakfast is included in your package. It's a wonderful property. It's at Gwalior, very close to the city, just about 2 kilometers from the city, about 2.5 kilometers from the Gwalior fort. It's very close from Delhi. People from Delhi keep coming. We met quite a few of them who've come from Delhi. We came from Agra. We visited Agra and then came here. Bye friends. Do subscribe to our channel.